Hey guys, welcome. I just want to do this quick video just to verify that to get 30 to 50% commissions in a certain website, you have to just put your website URL, and there's two privacy policies, the terms of service and the privacy. You're just going to put one link. I'll leave a link below to copy and paste this actual link for terms of service and the privacy so that everything is compliant, that your website is compliant once you start referring people to this affiliate link website. And we're going to also get you your easy commission funnel link, whether you choose option 1, option 2, located in the easy commission funnel area. You're going to copy that link. You're going to go back to the IIS, called Internet Income System. You're going to place that URL right inside of the first line where it says website URL. Put that link in there, and you're going to use the terms of service and the privacy. That same link you can copy and paste below in the second line and in the third line. So right now I'm just going to go through the steps on here in the computer, and we'll get this all set up for you to get verified in the Internet Income System as part of the Easy Commission Funnel. So it's a lot hard to explain it, but I can just show and tell it here right on the video to make things easier. So let's do this, and I'll get this thing started, and we'll send it to you if you have any trouble doing your Internet Income System affiliate link as a free member to get 25 to 30% commissions regularly. No pulling out your credit card. You don't have to buy anything. There's multiple links the same way. Just add your affiliate ID only in the certain boxes inside the Easy Commission Funnel to start making those ongoing commissions from traffic that generates leads through the system itself for you. So I'm going to make it self-explanatory. Let me get into this video and show you. Okay guys, now that we're inside the computer, let's go in here. Here's the Easy Commission Funnel. I'm going to click on first your affiliate links. So that's the first thing. Grab your page. You can pick 1 or 2. Copy the link. And then what I'm going to do, I'm just going to go to my Note tab. I'm just going to place it in there for now. Control V. Then just go to your super link. You're going to the Internet Income System. You're going to click on that. You're going to log in. Let me see here. Let's just get started. So after you log into the Internet Income System, you're just going to go down here where it says Affiliate Toolkit. But before I do that, I just want to show you something. Down here, see this arrow? Sometimes when you first log into the system, you'll notice that this page is overlapping the side panel. So you want to go on the side panel and kind of scroll down till you see an arrow that points to the right or to the left. It's going to move this page to the right or the left. We want to move it to the right so we can get to the side panel on the left, if that makes sense. This little arrow goes back and forth. Scroll down, there's that arrow, see it? So I just wanted to make sure you could see that. And okay, so as long as you can see that, the next thing we're going to do, let's see how I'm doing that. Okay, I moved the page. Now I'm going to go ahead and go to affiliate website on the left. Click on that. Now it's going to ask you, do you want the done for you affiliate website or option 2, provide your affiliate website? Click option 2. You want option 2 right there. Here, scroll down after you get to option 2, website URL. You're going to put this link, your affiliate link for this right here. We're going to copy it. Remember, you copied it from Easy Commission Funnel. We're going to copy that, and what we're going to do is we're going to put it right in here. Control V, it's pasted. Now your Easy Commission Funnel that you took from the Easy Commission Funnel page in your training room of getting started. Now this code right here, I'm going to actually give you this code. If you haven't gotten it from the Commission Funnel area, all you got to do is copy it, and I'll paste it. And then what I'll do is I'll actually add this in the video description so you have it. Control V, there it is. So now I'm just going to take that and I'm going to paste that right in here. Terms of service, privacy policy, then click save and continue. That's it. So those are the steps. Go into your main Easy Commission Funnel. Then I want you to go to your Internet Income System, put this information in here, and this is free. And again, you don't have to pull out your credit card. You don't have to do any of that buying nothing, spend no money. Just put these links in, and whenever someone comes to your ECF funnel, the Easy Commission Funnel, you're going to earn 30 to 50% if they decide they want to make money in every single item inside this called IIS system to make big amounts of money, endless leads, you name it, bonuses, free leads if they want. If they upgrade, they'll get a lot more value and you'll start making immediate commissions. So like me, I definitely upgraded. It was worth it. Leads help you make money, makes this business worthwhile. So even the traffic, if you got to buy traffic, why not upgrade and have this working for you? Totally up to you. You can get your own referrals, do your own traffic, and still make 30 to 50% commissions with this system. So I just want to go over those steps so you know exactly what to do. Easy. While you sleep, money can be earning you commissions right here while you're doing other things. So I hope this helped you out a lot. And again, if you need more, you can just simply get the referral link, hit the getting started button right here, go to video 1, build your list, build passive income, build skills. Just go to each one, add your free affiliate links in here. Just join, get an affiliate link, place it, save. Join, get an affiliate link, place it, click save. That's it. That's it. There's nothing to buy. You might want to buy some of it, but you don't have to buy any ones that are free. Get all the free ones first and start making commissions, then reinvest and then purchase on your monthly income with other systems that you may want to upgrade to make more money and generate more leads. So that's truly the basics of this system right here. So it's basically set it up, forget it, let it go, come back, check your referrals. Also, you can check your referrals here. Click on referrals and just go down. And these are referrals like for the day or whatever you did for, and you got all their emails, their names, everything. You can just email them out. You got promo tools, tons of promo tools you can use to build your system. So I think that's it for this video. If you want more, I'll put the link below so you can get access to this page right here and follow these steps and build your system up. So that's it for this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Depending on who responds to me and they need more help, I'll put more videos like this step by step to help guide you through each part of the process if you get stuck. So I'll see you in the next one, my friend.